Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an award letter. This letter is a formal document that recognizes and honors an individual's achievements. You will begin your award letter by including your name, position, and organization details at the top. Follow this with your contact information and the date. Next, address the recipient by stating their name, position, and company details. Use a clear and professional subject line, such as "Congratulations on your achievement," to set the tone of the letter. Finally, start the letter with a warm and respectful salutation, addressing the recipient by name. After that, write, "It is with great pleasure that we congratulate you on being selected as the recipient of the award name for year. Your dedication, hard work, and outstanding contributions to industry field have set a remarkable standard, and this award is a testament to your commitment and excellence. We deeply appreciate your efforts and the positive impact you have made within our organization and beyond. We look forward to celebrating this achievement with you at event name or date, where we will formally present your award. Once again, congratulations on this well-deserved recognition. Your passion and perseverance continue to inspire us all. Best regards, your name, your position, your company organization." Here's our sample award letter. You'll notice how it clearly acknowledges the recipient's achievements and expresses appreciation for their contributions. The letter highlights their dedication, hard work, and impact, making it a meaningful recognition of their success. By following this format step by step, you can create a thoughtful and well-crafted award letter that genuinely honors the recipient. This letter not only boosts morale but also reinforces the value of their efforts. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on drafting formal letters.